My name is Somayeh and we are Urban Chain Limited. We are a fast-growing tech company developing blockchain and AI solutions to redesign various markets and predict consumers' behaviors. We have currently focused on the UK energy market. With our blockchain platform, households and small businesses can significantly save on their energy bills. And with our AI system, government can predict households' needs of energy support more effectively and efficiently. We have been awarded a number of prizes worth more than £100,000, and we have developed a sustainable partnership with various government bodies, major stakeholders in energy market, and different innovation hubs. Innovation is at the center of the business. I've done a PhD. All the members of the majority of the members have PhDs in what they do. So the basic idea was very innovative, and we are doing innovation every day, every second when we do this business. Innovation is at the heart of our business. So whenever we interview somebody to join us, we just look at their attitude towards the innovation and how much they are willing to take risks to make this innovation happen. So everybody is dealing with innovation in the business, and everybody is interested to work with it. Well, Venturefest is a great opportunity for us to attract the interest of investors to what we do. Well, they are going to invest in future. At the same time, we would like to be known by people so they can join us and they can register their interest in our website.